So this is for Hannah and Reagan. They do the same thing as the girls on the ground and Nicole, but instead of doing this part to move formations, they're going to forward roll. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, slam. 2, hit. 3, 4, kick. 5, 6, hit. 7, 8, clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 5 and 6, 7, 8, clean. 1, 2, roll. 3, 4, 5, 6, hit. 7, 7, 8, step. 1, 2, walk. 3, 4, walk. 5, 6, hit. 7, 8, go. 1, 2, clean. 3, 4, kick. 5, knee. 6, circle. 7, 8, hit. 1.